Oh, it's a beautiful day, right, sis?
Yes, sister, it is beautiful in the village today.
We have some food cooking.
Yeah, I have you notify Oba. Oh my gosh. Can you fix the food, please? Oh, I'm gonna go stand over here while you fix the food.
Okay, the food is fixed, sister.
Okay. Father is coming. He's got to get all of the alligators.
You little cute little alligators. They're so cute.
Hi, sisters.
Hi.
I've got to tend to the alligators today.
That's nice.
Gotta make sure that we feed
What are
them.
you guys doing today?
Hi, miss. You're the shop owner. Hello.
You guys are so sweet. Do you want to buy anything from our store? Today is free day. You get to buy anything free.
Oh, we need fish, sister, fish.
There's already fish over here.
Okay, what else does she have in her shop?
What else do you have, mother? Oh, I have lots of goods. What kind of goods? Come to my shop and you will see.
Okay. So this is what I have in the shop today.
I have more pepper seeds.
Well, we have pepper seeds.
Oh, thank you for getting me the pepper seed. Thank you for letting me have the pepper seeds. You really need them.
You're welcome. Yeah.
Oh, and thank you for this. Would you like to have some fish?
I would love some fish. Do you have fufu?
Not at the moment right now.
Oh, I have pounded yam
Okay,
in my shop.
can I get that? Just give me the pound here.
Just tap me something.
Thank you for letting me have the pounded yam. It looks delicious.
Oh, is this how you found the yam?
Yes, pounded yam.
Oh,
You're welcome. Thank you.
sisters, watch out, be careful. You're standing near the alligators. We gotta move them. You almost stepped in the pond, sister. Oh, thank you, Father, for saving me.
Okay, we got the pounded yam. Would you like some fufu soup?
I would love some. I think we're all pretty hungry.
Sissy, do you want some?
Yes.
How can I use this to be shopkeeper? Yes, that we love some. Oh, yes, that we love some soup. Let's go eat. Yum, nom, 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 nom. Oh, that was so good. Yum, that was so good.
I'm glad you enjoyed it, sisters.
So good. Handshake. Eat, eat, eat. Brother, would you like to eat some? It looks like you've been working hard today.
Yes, I've been tending to the alligators all day.
Well, here's some stew. Pick it up because it's really hot. And nom.
Oh, thank you. I'm gonna go eat now.
Oh, don't forget any fish.
Oh, fish. Thank you, sister.
You're welcome. I really got to sleep. Yeah, you really got to sleep.
Yeah, I gotta clean up.
You have a bathroom. I really got to go.
Yes, come right in.
She said yes. Oh, I really got to sleep. Sleep, sleep, sleep. It's been a really windy day today. Oh, sleep, 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 sleep. Then the alligators would like some pepper. I would alligators really like pepper. There you go, little cuties.
Careful, sister, careful. They're very hungry.
Okay, I give them some pepper to eat. They would really like pepper. I really gotta sweep around there, so can you guys move? Okay. Okay, I gotta watch out for the alligators at the pond. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Good night. Sleep, 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 sleep. Okay, I'm sleeping. I'm really tired, Sissy. Hey, I'm about to yet.
Yes, sister. I'm done now.
Okay, it's time to go to bed. It's really late outside. It's really dark.
Yes, it's time for us to get dressed.
Thank you for lending us some of your food. You're welcome. Very, very welcome. Come back whenever you want. Okay, sister, come on, bedtime.
Bedtime.
Oh, sister, very high mountain to climb.